ऐकतो जाल्यार कितें जाल्यार करपा पडलो ना. खातीर रावले तुमी कितें आयकल्लें न्ही कितें आयकनाय तुमी तरी डायरेक्शन शिकवता आतां आमगे डायरेक्शन कितें जावपाक जाय कितें आयकपाचें कांय ना तें हिंग भाशण केलें जायना ताका लागून हांव येयलो ना आनी हांवें कोणा मिडिया देखून सांग हांवें तांकां म्हाका नाकाल्लें कित्याक हांव कितें उलयता म्हाका मिडियाचेर येवपा नाकाल्लें कित्याक आमी उलयता तें शो करपा न्ही टीव्हीचेर येवपा आनी फेसबुकाचेर घालपा न्ही आमी उलयता तें काम जावपा जाय पुरो तें फेसबुकान तें पुरो आनी नाकाय तें शो करप नाका सो आतां स्ट्रायक तुमी जर हाल तेंक कोणाक गायल्याय हाल न्ही बरें न्ही म्हाका पळय हांव येता तुज बरो कोण सपोर्ट करतले तितल्यांक पळय एक कोडे स्ट्रायक करया तेंक कळों जाय दृश्टी म्हणटा तें कळों जाय आमी हितू तें दृश्टी डिसबँड करूं मागताय गव्हर्मेंटा मागताय असेंब्ली मागताय सगळ्या मागताय अजून येवन गव्हर्मेंटान आयकलो ना दृश्टी डिसबँड कर म्हूण आनी तुम घाले म्हूण डायरेक्ट एब्जर्व करे म्हूण पगार देखून तुमकां उणी दियाय म्हूण सांगलो आमी एक तेंपाक पगार देखून दियाय कित्याक पगार फूल कोण 70,000 80,000 दिना जाल्यार कोता येता कमिंग टू टर्म्स म्हणजे कॉम्प्रोमायज कळलो का सो एनिवे तुमी जर तर डिसिजन घेताय जाल्यार म्हाका सांगाय आय एम देर विथ यू सो काबार हांव आनी कांय उलयना म्हाका कांय उलोवपा नाका हांव येयलो तुमी सपोर्ट करपाक कित्याक हांव हितून तेंप येवना हांव सदांच तुमी बरोबर रावल्लो तुमी पयलीं स्ट्रायक आसतना रावलो ना तुमी बरोबर येतो कोण नासले येतो हे होत नासले आनी फेसबुका आहाय ते कोण नासले ते सोड ओवर सो मुगे रिक्वेस्ट तुमकां तुमी जर तर कितें करताय एक बरें डिसिजन घे आय वील स्टँड बाय यू इतलें आनी कांय ना म्हाका म्हणपाचें तुमगेलें सो आय अंडरस्टँड तुमी जेन्युइन केस आहा तुमगेली तुमगे केस आमी असेंब्लीक येयल्या आमी 2 असेंब्ली कंटिन्युअस केली तुमगे केस ओके सो आय एम सॉरी म्हाका मातशें माफी मागता हांव कित्याक हांव लेट येयलो एक्चुली हांवें पयलीं येवपा जाय आसलें सो तुमी कितें डिसिजन घे वील स्टँड बाय यू तेंगे इश्यू आमी असेंब्ली घेत आहे आमी असेंब्ली तेंगे इश्यू घेतला आमी सगळे तेंगे इश्यू घेतले आय एज अ लेजिस्लेटर and if I am speaking against anything I took in the assembly as a Congress legislator as a opposition.
How you see the job protection of them?
See job protection म्हणते इतू दिसते आहे आता what is the job protection they have there? I am asking you now, what is the job protection of signing up here? CM has made a statement he will observe them in human resources. That is job protection. Understand, if you strike you have to hit, you have to, those days are gone. If you strike you have to succeed. How to succeed? All the leaders who have come here have to come to that place wherever they have employed some other people, attack them there, and if there are going to be any case on them they have to say you put first case on us. This should be the attitude and this should be the work of people who want to support them. I am there with them. I have already said how to take it up. This is my level. What else you want to know? If you want to bring the government on the knees, this is the solution. There is no other solution for them. You can't keep them for so many days, and the government doesn't even know that, doesn't even bother that they are standing up there. This is happening because somewhere, every agitation, somebody has compromised with the ruling government. Among the supporters who support the agitation, somebody has compromised. Now I am not here to tell who has compromised, what wrong has been done. I am here to tell you, let us do something new. Forget about what has happened in the past. Let us all work together to see that there is justice for our people. Or we people we have to do justice for them, or we have to stop coming like this. That's it.
Rajnal, what new you want to do now? What type of new? What you have to do?
See, I told them to take a decision. I'm telling you, repeating again. they have now employed somebody else. These boys are striking, they have employed somebody else. Where they have employed somebody else, these fellows, along with people like us who are elected representatives, should go and stop them. Show dissent, show confusion, show that there is a injustice been done. Police will come. They raise apprehensions that they are going to be arrested, cases are going to be there. People like us have to say, okay, you register cases on us before you register on them. If this is done, I don't want to say further.
सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन आता यांना यूथ बसलेले दिस वीक प्लस स्टेट आर सेलिब्रेटिंग 100 years 50 years
I have made it very clear.
and spending 100 crores. How you see?
I have made it very clear. I said I will not join the. I made it very clear. I will not join the celebration. That means I'm not happy with the celebration with people like this, and lot more people who are suffering. Lot of people require financial help.
Rajendra, one more thing. In these 3 days, the COVID has reached in the school. How you see this thing?
We are diverting from the topic. You want me to answer?
Yeah. Better do you answer?
COVID in the school. We have been raising apprehensions that COVID might reach the school to take precautions. Now that the precautions have failed, they have to stop it somewhere and take a little more fresh steps. As it is, the cases might rise. There was a fear. We have